back to the Buzz Party channel. As you can see, I'm in a car. I'm on my way to a craft store, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me on another craft day vlogging. I'm actually going to a craft store that I'm an ambassador for here in France. It's called Cultura, and I'm on a lookout for some spring and Easter goodies for a DIY, which I'll show you in another video. And once again, at the end of this video, stay tuned because I'll show you my haul. So let's go shopping. To show you guys my little Cultura bag, and Cultura gifted me this bag a while back, so I'm taking it with me because we're going shopping in Cultura for some craft supplies. See you in a bit. Easter stuff out, some of it, and it's absolutely adorable. So many beautiful crafty things. is my little craft stash, you guys. There are some bits and bobs that I have bought obviously from the craft store. I don't know if I'm going to use everything, but I bought some acrylic paint in pastel colors because I do know I want to do some pastel colored spring and Easter DIY and craft. So I've got yellow here and pink, they're both matte. I've got some egg cups. I have an idea what I'm going to do with all these supplies, but it's not 100% definite, so it might change a little bit. I got this little bunny to match a couple of other bunnies that I bought last year for a different project. I have some floral picks here, some eucalyptus and some frosted foliage, which I'm going to use for a craft project as well. And I have this little super adorable birdhouse that is quite large actually, and I think it's going to look really nice as decor. And some wooden letters that I can use to make signs or different things, and there's like 3 alphabets in here and also some numbers, which is really handy. And obviously this is not from the craft store, but I'm going to use it in decorating. I have some pretty little flowers here to match my color scheme of pastel colors. So that's my little haul. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.